Hey guys, for this video, I'll teach you how to change your WhatsApp language. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to view WhatsApp in a different language. So, let's go to settings as our starting step. And now we're gonna scroll down to general. Now that we're here, tap on language and region. So, it will take you to all the language-based settings that you're gonna need on your iPhone. And now, as you can see here, I have English as my preferred language. But if you don't want English and you want another language, you can just remove it by doing this and then tap on Add Language, which you will then search your language and add it. So it's that simple. If you open WhatsApp or reset your phone and then open WhatsApp, it'll change the language. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.